In a vibrant, sunlit savanna, a young zebra named Zuri lives with his playful cousin, a 5-year-old boy named Leo, and his wise grandmother, Grandma Zara. The trio shares a close bond, spending their days exploring the lush landscape and learning from each other. One day, Grandma Zara gathers Zuri and Leo under the shade of an acacia tree to tell a story about their ancestors. As she narrates tales of bravery and unity among the zebra herds, Zuri's imagination ignites, inspiring him to embark on a quest to discover his own identity. He wishes to prove his bravery just like the heroes in Grandma Zara's stories. Zuri and Leo set off on a journey across the savannah, encountering various animals who impart lessons about kindness, courage, and friendship. Along the way, they face challenges, such as crossing a wide river and navigating through a dense thicket, with Grandma Zara's teachings echoing in their minds. They learn to work together, overcoming obstacles and building their confidence. As the sun sets, Zuri realizes that bravery isn't just about grand gestures but also about the small acts of kindness and love shared with family. They return home, tired but fulfilled, where Grandma Zara waits with a warm embrace, proud of their adventure and the lessons learned together.